Hello, I'm Ebony Thompson. I'm excited to be here to meet with you about the position. What sets me apart from others will be I'm motivated, ambitious, and a leader. I am proud of myself for going to college to better myself, and I am growing into the best version of me. I can always find something that needs to be improved or changed. So, to help myself improve in this area, I give myself deadlines for revisions. When I was working for an after school program, I developed new skills and growth in my role as a lead teacher rather than just fall back on natural talent. In 5 years, I see myself running my own center successfully since I had a center before, and this is the reason why I went back to get my early childhood education degree. If I was promoted, I would acknowledge the situation, but don't get drawn into a conversation about feelings. Talk about the goals the department has to achieve, both for the company and the customers. The person I feel that would be difficult working with will be someone who knows it all but be wrong all the time or always try to take over. Conflict in the workplace, you have to respect your peers. Listen, provide feedback with an impact, and receive feedback with grace and dignity. Play well with others to develop effective relationships and show appreciation. The children and their families inspire me in the workplace. My daughter motivates me to do well in the workplace and at home. My most recent job, I love the idea of teaching kindergarten through third grade in an after school program. Most of the children wanted to learn and they trusted me to teach them. I am leaving so I can open up my own center to better help families in the community. My biggest weakness is getting so absorbed in my work that I lose all track of time sometimes. Every day I realize I'm the last one to go home sometimes. I know I should be more aware of the clock, but when I love what I'm doing, I just can't think of anything else. My biggest strength, I feel I'm a problem solver. A person who tends to push the blame and the responsibility onto someone else is a candidate to avoid.